Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable the option to create Reels using videos that are less than 60 seconds on Facebook when you're using a PC. This is part of a newer update, and if you've been wondering why you couldn't find this feature before, you're definitely not alone. Let's jump right into it. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account because we'll be changing a setting tied directly to your profile. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another set of options. Now, click on Settings to enter the main settings page. After you're inside the settings area, take a moment to scroll through the left-hand menu until you find the section labeled Media. Click on it to open the media-related settings. Now, look for the option that says Create Reels with videos less than 60 seconds. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle or selection option. Simply switch this setting to on. And that's it. Once this option is enabled, Facebook will allow you to create Reels using shorter videos directly from your PC, making content creation faster and more flexible. If you didn't see this option before, it's likely because the feature is part of a gradual rollout, so keeping your settings updated is always a good idea. Give it a try and start creating your Reels with ease right from your desktop.